our tea jug and dispenser. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 8¼ inches. A depth, also 8¼ inches. And the overall height, we have 20½ inches tall. Coming to the bottom will be the removable waste tray. And above will be the touchpad for the settings along with the temperature indicator for this dispenser. And on top will be the dispense nozzle to dispense your product. Coming to the top will be a removable cover. And right below is the removable filter. Measurement for the filter itself will include 11 inches in height with an interior radius of 4¼ inches. Filter can be removed and inserted back right into the barrel. Right and left handles for easy mobility, and included will be the 110/120 voltage plug required to operate this dispenser. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.